Hi, this is Dave Hammer, a hobby blacksmith. Today we're going to be forging square corners using Sauder's forging techniques. Today we'll be forging with pure iron, very soft. This particular piece is just a smidge over 1/8 inch square. First, determine where we want our square corner to be. Bend the stock over to itself and flatten it out. There's a little bulge there. Push that bulge out to the end. Just go easy. You don't want to be changing dimensions. See what I'm doing there? Bring it back. I'm going to put a little point on this. It's not going to get to a point. It's actually difficult to do this with soft iron. But just kind of point it as best you can. Just a little bit. You'll see how much I've done in just a minute. That end is actually going to become our square corner. Are you wondering why my hardy tool isn't bouncing around? That's because I made a hold down, and it is pulled down from the bottom. Open up your fold. Be very careful when you're doing this so you don't smash it too thin. This is actually easier to do with mild steel. The reason I'm using pure iron today is to show a friend that you can do it with pure iron successfully. To keep working it. Work that into a square corner. You'll need an anvil with fairly sharp edges or a hardy tool like this. It's coming along nicely. I'm fussing over this quite a bit because it's so soft, it keeps flopping around on me. Just about there. Looks pretty good, actually. Next, we're going to address the corners. Just knock the edge off of the corner. It dresses it up quite a bit. You can be doing this while you're forging the other, but it doesn't hurt to wait till the end. It looks like it's got a cold shot, but it actually doesn't. I'm about done fussing. We're going to pick up a piece of 1/4 inch square, again pure iron. This is actually easier because it doesn't flop around as much. If you're going to be doing multiple bends in one piece, then I'd suggest you mark where your corners are going to be with the little punch. This would be a little easier to get a little point on the end. least Sauder came up with this method himself. It's really unknown whether or not it's totally new. It's certainly easier than most of the other, if not all, of the other methods to get a square corner. It's quicker and it's easier on your body. Fold it over again, point it, open it up. Enough to get it started. Again, be careful that you don't thin the stock too much when you're doing this. I haven't made a video for a while. This is kind of fun to be working on the anvil again. Just go easy. This is probably more forging than I need to do here, but I wanted to do it well. This one's almost done. I might have gotten it a little thin, but not much. Alright, we're going to knock off the edges again. Just light taps. This doesn't look like it's heated, but it actually is. Doesn't have to be red. In fact, it's probably better if it's not. Let's clean those edges up. Just about done. I like those results. Square corners. Thanks for watching.